Now we're just waiting for that sun to set, and then we're going to test out the VFly Halo. So we're going to make this look pretty, this being the DJI Neo. Now I haven't flown this since I had that bad crash, so hopefully we're okay. The button at the back is all broken. The casing is splitting apart a little bit, so fingers crossed she's going to fly okay. But the main test is going to be what the Halo looks like. I'm going to put you down lower because the wind has just got up crazy, and I really shouldn't even be flying this in this type of wind, but let's see what happens. So there's a button on the bottom, so you press that once and it turns her on like so, and then we can change the colors by pressing it again, and then you can also double press it and it changes the function, so what it does. So we've got flash in, there's lots of different variations, pulse in, this cool one, and so on. Now because it is so windy, we're going to keep it low, so I'm going to sit down on the floor and I'm going to fly it. So we are in manual, motor starting. Whoa, okay, so challenging to fly in this wind. Okay, that didn't work. It was way too windy. I just really couldn't control the Neo, and I had to fly it really close to the floor so you couldn't see it. Now this is more real world, so I'm going to be in the trees. It's daytime, so let's see what effect these lights have in the daytime. So let's start with the red, see how that looks. I think that stands out the most. Now don't do this, I'm going to take off with 0 satellites, or there's like 1 or 2, so I'm going to take off in manual. That's the other thing I need to test with this, was can it take my flying style, which is crashing quite a bit. Okay, let's see how it looks. All right, let me move out of the way. Whoop, wee. Try and walk a little bit. Okay. Let's try some flybys. Not too fast. Oh shit. Okay, we took out the... No, we didn't take out the camera. First crash, we hit the camera. Lights are still on. Let's drop you down. I actually wanted to do that anyway. So we'll drop you down, fly closer and lower to the floor. See how that looks. Okay, let's do a one from the side. Not too fast. Should we try a loop? Okay, let's see if we can get nice and still. This is challenging my flying. Let's try changing the color one more time. Oh, we have changed it. I don't know if that changed when I just landed it. So basically you've got the button underneath, so when it does land you can catch the button, which changes the color. Try some rolls and some flips. Whee! Well, we're testing it. Well, pop wash. It does, though, look at this. Make it so much easier to find it. Let's have a look, see if it's come off at all. Yep. State of that Neo. But the lights are still flashing, they're still on. Now obviously if you don't fly manual, if you just keep it in normal or sport and you're a lot more careful than I am, these are going to work a treat, especially in any sort of low light situation. They have sent me the lights for the AVATA 2, little spotlights, but I do need to repair the AVATA, so I'll get those ones reviewed as well. If you are interested, links are down below. If you have any questions, let me know. If you have any requests for videos, let me know as well, and I'll speak to you guys in the next one.